If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, if you're looking at how you can actually increase the number of subscribers that you have, if you are looking at how you can actually increase your watch hour, then this video is for you, because on this video I will be sharing with you some of the apps that you should be using if you want to actually grow your YouTube channel. Now, these apps that I will be revealing to you are apps that I actually use, and I bet you that some of the YouTube creators that you are watching, right, and learning from are also using these apps to actually grow their channel. So if you want to actually grow your subscribers, if you want to get more watch hours on your videos, if you want people to actually pay attention to what you are doing, including this video you are watching right now, because I'm using the apps that I will be mentioning to actually create these videos. Yes, guys. So if you are interested in that, then you want to make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will be sharing with you all the apps that you need to actually get started, to grow your YouTube channel. And also I will be sharing with you how you can, use all of these apps. Now, if you're interested, make sure you watch this video to the end. So let's get into it without any further ado. Number one on my list is the very one I use for making my thumbnails to look catchy and look beautiful. Now, the app that I actually use to create this is called Canva. Yes, guys, Canva is an app that you can actually use with your phone or using the laptop. Now, the beautiful thing about Canva is that Canva is a free app. Yes, though it has a paid version of it, but you can definitely get started using the free version of it, and you can make ton of money before you can go pro with it, right? Because with the free version of Canva, you can actually get better templates that you can actually put to fit your channel. So with Canva, you get to create graphics, you get to create your thumbnail, you get to create your YouTube banner, you get to create your logo for your channel. So Canva is a go-to app when it comes to you creating images, thumbnail, banners that will grow your channel. Remember, your thumbnail, your banners are the things people see before they actually come to your channel. So you want to use Canva to actually help you create this. Now, if you don't have Canva, or you want to learn how to actually get started with Canva, then I'm going to leave the link to it in the description of this video. So just go there, click the link, and you will get started with Canva. Now, it gives you 30 days free if you are just starting out with Canva. The next one on my list, guys, is CapCut. Yes, guys, with CapCut, you tend to actually edit the videos that you will be creating. Now, one thing you want to do if you're getting started, for instance, is to actually use CapCut. Now, before I started using CapCut, InShot was one of the first apps that I got started with, right? Now, why I love InShot is because InShot is a bit friendly when it comes to you editing your videos. CapCut can be, somehow technical, except you want to actually learn exactly how to use CapCut. But CapCut tends to do better because it gives you more options, it gives you a lot of features that you can actually use to get a better video before you put it out there on YouTube, right? So CapCut is one app that you want to get started with. Again, the link to that will be in the description of this video. But like I said, you can either use CapCut or you can use InShot, right? Whichever one you want to get started with. Now, these both apps actually, are free to use, but they get some pro features that you would need if you want to actually do better with them, right? So you can go for the pro one, but definitely you can get started using the free version of it. So CapCut and InShot is another app that you want to get started with. The third on my list, guys, is your YouTube Studio. Yes, now guys, your YouTube Studio is another app that you want to get started with. Now, I am very sure that you are familiar with the YouTube Studio, right? Now, if you're using it on your phone, the features you'll be getting is very, very limited. Now, if you want to make use of YouTube Studio very well, you need to log on to your laptop. But hey, I have a shortcut that will help you actually use your phone to actually access the YouTube Studio as if it is a laptop, right? I'm going to give you that right here, right? So this is how you can actually, use your phone to actually access the YouTube Studio like you are using the web version of it. Because with the YouTube Studio, that is your office. That's what I call it. It is your office because everything you need to put in place for your video to go viral, for people to like the video and come and watch and subscribe to your channel is right there on the YouTube Studio, right? So you want to take on every features that the YouTube Studio has to offer and make sure that it is on point so that when your videos go out there, definitely people will begin to rush. You know where they say it is them that they rush us, right? So they can rush that video and definitely begin to watch and subscribe to your video. So your YouTube Studio is another app that you want to get started with. So another app you must get started with, guys, this is the Odogu of the Odogus. Right now, this app is the app that I used to grow my channel up to this moment. Yes, guys, it has been a tremendous help to me, guys. I cannot overemphasize how much this app has actually helped me and my channel to grow up to this stage, and it is still growing. Now, there is one of my videos that actually got traction and it got a lot of views as compared to other ones on this channel. This app is actually the app that actually made that video to go viral. Now, what is this app that I'm talking about? Now, the app I am referring to is called VidIQ. Yes, guys, VidIQ is an app that you want to get. Right, it's a must get app for me when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. Now with VidIQ, I tell you, it can help you with creating your thumbnail. It can give you, topic ideas. It's also going to give you scripts. Now the beautiful thing about it is that it helps you to actually know if the video you are putting out is going to get traction or not. It helps you to actually rank that video even while you have posted the video. So when I post the video, I go to VidIQ to actually optimize the video in a way that people will begin to watch the video, right? So you want to use VidIQ. In fact, it should be the #1 app that I should have mentioned right here, right on this video. VidIQ is the first app you want to get started with if you want to actually grow your YouTube channel, because it is the game changer. It gives you suggestions of tags, it gives you suggestions of topics, it actually gives you scripts, it gives you a voiceover, right? Even if you don't want to use your voice, it can give you a voiceover for the video that you would be creating. It generates the whole video for you guys. That's the truth. Right now, look at this. I'm going to leave let's watch how it does this, right? I'm going to leave it up here, right? So VidIQ is the game for you if you want to actually grow your YouTube channel. Now, another one you want to use is CHGPT. So let's say you are, thinking of what to actually post. If you're thinking of, topic ideas, channel niche, if you're thinking of thumbnails to create, whatever it is that you're thinking about how to create the video you want to create, even if you don't have an idea, then you want to get started with CHGPT. Yes, guys, so CHGPT and Google Gemini is one of the apps that I actually use to actually get video ideas for my channel, and it also helps me with creating scripts for this channel, right? So before I got started with VidIQ, ChatGPT and Google Gemini was actually what I was using on my channel until I found VidIQ. Then I had to transition into using VidIQ, right? So you can actually get started with ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Lest I forget, VidIQ is actually a free app which also have a pro version of it, right? So if you want to get better features, then you want to use the pro version. But guys, you can get started with the free version because it will also give you exactly what you need to grow your channel. So VidIQ is there for you, ChatGPT is there for you, and Google Gemini is another one that you want to get started with. Then the last on my list, guys, is the morning fast. Yes, guys, the morning fast is another one that you want to use. Now, this one actually helps me to rank my videos, right? It tells me if the video idea that I have is actually going to rank for my channel. It also gives me, hints on, what other creators are doing. It also tells me, how best my channel is doing and how best it can go, suggesting other ways that I can actually grow my channel. Now, the morning fast is something you want to get started with, guys, if you really want to grow your channel. I'm going to leave the link to it right there in the description of this video so that you can actually get a 1 month free. If you use my link, right, you will get 1 month 30 days free access, after which, if you like it, then you can continue using the app, right, or the website, because it's actually a website, right? So you can continue using it if you like it, right? So you want to get started with all of these apps. So guys, these apps are apps that will actually grow your channel. It will actually change the game for you if you really want to grow on YouTube. So I want to know in the comments, which of these apps are you currently using, or which of these apps will you get started with, right, so that your own channel can blow out and go viral, right? So let me know in the comments which of these apps you're using and which of these that you will get started with. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have found value in this video. Welcome to the family. Make sure you subscribe, because on this channel I talk everything about how to make money, how to grow your business, and also how to get customers. If that is your goal, then you want to subscribe right now and give it a thumb up, guys. Give it a thumb up. Now, there's a video that I would want you to watch on how you can actually make more money online. Now, I'm going to leave that video somewhere here, right, for you to go watch it right now. I will see you again on that video. Have a wonderful day ahead.